العائلة الشيطانية اللي عم تحكم العالم، بيتحكموا بأسعار الذهب ومسيطرين على أكبر بنوك العالم وأهمهم البنك الفيدرالي. في شخص حاول يعمل مع حدا من أفراد العائلة لقاء وهيك كان رده.
Mr. Rothschild, how you doing, sir? Can you tell us what went on at the Bilderberg meeting this year?
Sorry?
Can you tell us what went on at the Bilderberg meeting this year?
I didn't get that last year, no.
The Bilderberg, you weren't there?
No,
Not this year. What went on last year?
no, I wasn't allowed.
Federal Reserve was one of these organizations. One of these organizations that a lot of people say is the source of many main products all across the world. It's a private thing that was started by your family.
No, it's completely untrue. I was asked that earlier. It really isn't true.
We just want to let you know the New World Order has no legitimacy, and that we as a people are not afraid, and we are waking up to the robber barons and the big banksters who are looting this economy with the Federal Reserve. Well,
هاي العائلة اللي بيخضع إلها نظام الوظيفة ودفع الضرائب، هذا النظام اللي بيعلمونا إياه من ونحن صغار حتى ما حدا يغلط ويحاول يطلع من الخطيئة. والقرار إلك، يا أما بتبقى بهذا النظام اللي عم يمشي لصالحهم، أو بتستخدم عقلك وبتطلع منه.